inkani esitiki nekuthatha ubane inkunzi akekho ngoba umbondo wonke umuntu ulolisunze wena mele into ikalile selifikile nalusuku vikane yakhe icrew donse yami ihusha skipha inkani esitiki nekuthatha ubane inkunzi akekho ngoba umbondo wonke umuntu ulolisunze wena mele into ikalile selifikile nalusuku
Fikane yakhe icrew kufika izinja zasemkhumba isuke hood versus hood isibuya nomkhwezela isikhuni la kuyashuba kuyajuluka inhloko ihlukana nesikhandi dala ngikhuluma senibuka sekuyisona leso sikhathi kumbe ifale enketama baba kudala zagijima mrapha lento ijinde kujaza igazi ngiphethe into ecijile dedele ecebisa samaciko azocika icimisha cindezela itrika manje kusangacambalala inika khumbo ngena kuzika bathi ngithula ngicweba kwesiziba jula ndonsa usiba ngikhipha isiqalo isiphetho nesizinda laka labaphansi zwakala la kuhlangena amakasi ngamasonto njalo sihlezi silapha njengamakhambi lethe yakhe icrew lethe yami shiyelana inkundla suka lapha emuva le movie ngifuna yenze kubuka cabanga sidodla ngekhala eminyanga sikhiphi nosheleni kwakho kuveze sakho iskili
Boy OB Magic, you know what it is. Live from FX Center, going down, man. It's hood versus hood, coming back again. This time it's not hoods, just captains doing whatever they want to do with any hood. Abang I can't, so shout out to the top 4 that got selected. All the best, you know. So word of the day, that's a shoot. That's all I can say. I can inspire you all I want, but I feel like after what happened right now, that's a shoot. Captain, artist you are they all say this should be better make sure that you pull through and you see each and every match hood versus hood this season. This color man gonna be crazy out of this world from your boy. Show up first, FX Center, manje we hood versus hood squad decision and say boy oh kuma no chupas Africa oh captain sebekhethiwe man I'm sorry thenga isho kumina ukuthi abathokoze.
My name is Celestial Mike, the mic in the hand of God, and I just want to say, seeing all the captains, it's going to be a very nice show. It's no longer about where you come from, it's just about how good you are. So all the teams are going to fight. Make sure you don't miss this.
Yeah, Sanbona, Ninjani. This is Boyd and Doni, guys. Silaya Pet Center. We hood versus wood. Well, what about it's your girl until Moshe Kanyile. And you already know, maybe Silaya Pet was Bandara, and I'm trying to, it was that final selections of all captain and all captain Betu abawinile. Awinile, right? So it was Phoenix, Njinga, Bon Hustler, and Umadolo. Bektinganjo captain about 4. This is a new season. We will be back in January with full force, full info, full everything, full bars, full kisses. I love you so much.
Sanbona, hey, this is Bongeka the vocalist, Bongeka Tata on Facebook, nago Insta. Yazi angazo hlalele lapha ekhaya and futhi angikwazi why ulapha ekhaya because it's December time, silana ePet Center. Hayibo uzako uvelo wasimemeza wasibizwa wathi yazini na squad edition. Phela ke angathi besa lokhu nje sithi inkonzi yethu iyabasha ya every Sunday. Ishonephi yazini kwazi uthini ubhuti wethu uzako yathi no, ake ngibuyise squad edition.
Namhlanje bekwi hood versus hood edition. Kuzokhetha okapteni abazodlala and then okapteni bethu babe bawu4 kube uBon Hustler kube uPhoenix kube uMadolo and then wase kube uNjinga nowasePotchefstroom.
Abaphethe uBon Hustler la igama. FX Center right now celebrating a hood versus hood and it's a new one, It's a squad edition. It's a very interesting one. Umuntu gets to choose abantu afuna ukudlala ngabo bafethu. It's going to be a nice one, it's going to be hot. Oh, by the way, uBon Hustler is going to be the winner. The winner going to be uBon Hustler. It's going to be nice. Show up, you support the Bafetu movement. KZN and hip hop is winning once again bafethu. Let's pull up. Yizo.
So bafethu ngikhuluma noNjinga la ePet Center njengamanje kwi-launch ye-Rap Effect squad edition. Yeah, so mhlawumbe bezo announce captain abazo ama-team awu4 compete. So Njinga was one of those captains. Shuthi ngiyabonga kakhulu abantu abavotile, ngiphinde ngibonge ku-Rap Effect oyivotile yabo because the choice vote public iphinde kuvote ngala. So as I'm one of the 4 captains, I'm saying thank you.
Sanibona fethu igama Lloyd Sikumamba. Ngicela ukubonga wonke umuntu ofile to support this beautiful movement called Rap Effect Hood versus Hood Squad Edition. We promise nothing but the best. The show le elandelayo ngeke ifane nalawa amanye. So bengiyiwa kakhulu ngiyathembisa wonke umuntu ozokufika uzosupport angeke ayisolo ngoba khona. This is the best movement ekhona nge-hip hop.
Ngicela nje bafethu usukume simhloniphe njengoyena umsunguli-ke wayo lento esikuyona namhlanje sesiza ngaphambili ezobizwa ukapteni sisabiza uzakwe. Ngicela simhloniphe nje bafethu sisukume seze ngaphambili.
Sanibona bafethu nigrade. Akukho okuningi esizokwenza. Sawabona amavoti bafethu abemaningi kakhulu, and today abafethu laba abazoba wokapteni sasibacelile bavuma ukuthi bangangena yini kwi-top 8 ukuze bavotelwe. So kusuka manje ke sekulele kubona le 4 ezokhethwa namhlanje. Izokhetha nje noma yikuphi la ifisa khona abadlali nje ababo u15. And into emnandi manje before siyongena egemini u15 zobe sesiwazi ukuthi nasi ischeme sasibanibani. Mawufuna ukudisa ke yobe sowazi ukuthi ngizomntomula la nala. Ladies and gentlemen, the first captain to be announced ovotelwe from the public side and our side. Amavota malengiso. Ladies and gentlemen, Matolo. Shout out to Matolo. The next person ovoteliwe ozoba ukapteni othola ijoka naye elikhulu lokuthi awini Hood versus Hood squad edition for the first time is none other than Phoenox. Let's go. Ngizoqala umsebenzi. Enekuzovela amaxoki ke manje uthi usukhulumela nomuntu akutshela ukuthi hayi nginawe. So ingakho kuthiwa i-team ya-announce because umuntu uvela kujikele usulapha kanti mase simbonile sesiyazi sonke ukuthi hayi uselapha. Captain number 3. Ladies and gentlemen, the third captain, Injinga. Uzoshuba. The last captain. Nazi ke njalo bafowethu ukuthi ucaptain uba nento yakhe nje u5 wakhe nje. Ongakhulumisi ngalokho kuthiwa u5000 kanje wakhe. Seyobona ke laba abanye ke. Ladies and gentlemen, the last captain, and I feel is going to bring in a strong competition. Njengabo bonke laba abanye abawu3 abala. Ladies and gentlemen, Born Hustler. Siyabonga kakhulu kumphakathi ovotile nethimba livotile. Omunye uvela wathola 100% from inside lethu ngapha kwase kuba nzima ukuthi leli side la ngaleli phinde liwine because it was just 50-50 and we considered everything. So ngiyacela kwafowethu i-decision siyihloniphe sonke, sibanike inhlonipho. Okhethiwe wonke umuntu okhethiwe la ukufanele ukuthi abe la. Nongakhethiwe akusho ukuthi akakufanele but iseze enye season. So thank you so much. Mhlambe bazokhuluma amabili abathatha abafowethu.
Ngibonge kakhulu afesi ngamavoti shuthi seyaqala kuyabhikwa manje. Nginombuzo kodwa eNanda ngibona abadlali abawu10 bekhetha lapha. Ngoba uMadola kumele akhethe 4. Ngizomisa kanjani? First kuzoba mnandi, let's make it interesting. iKZN sihlanganise yonke kube mnandi. So once kwenzeka kanjani. Congratulations laba abavoteliwe. Asiqali sibone.
Ngibonga kakhulu bafethu ngamavoti. Ngiyabonga nokuthi nangala kuthimba labahleli umuntu uvoteliwe nakhona as much as evoteliwe ngapha.
Ngicela siqale ngokushayela iHood versus Hood izandla bafethu. Senasi initiative. Bafethu angifuni ukuba mude kakhulu. Asiphinde sishayele labafethu kade benominathiwe izandla sebebonke ngoba bebedeserve bekhethwa abantu. Yeah. I feel ukuthi uma uyingxenye yale Shandisi le umsebenzi wakho ukuthatha even umuntu ongayithandi hip hop uzomintroduce kulento. So ngoba ngiyazi vele niyakwazi ukungilalela ngicela nishayele izandla ukuthi senizofika nabantu makusiwa lana yabo. Sabonga kakhulu bafethu.
Ngiyalithanda uhlelo inqubekela phambili ngoba nje phela hip hop bafethu mina ngiyayithandela lo mdlalo we-hip hop. I think ngawunikwa abantu abadala basekhaya nani ke nanginika ukuthi ngize ngibe la ukuthi kuzowina abana. I think sengikhulunyelwe iskipper sami kubona ukuthi ubani ozowina lo 5000 because this is red for danger. uNkulunkulu anibusise non-rap effects ngiyabonga.